Hey parents, it's Renee here. Imagine your teen or tween finally saying something to the effect of, I feel more like me again. I feel good about myself. I believe in myself. I am awesome. If these are words you'd love to hear from your child, DM me the word awesome for early access to something that I've never offered before. It is designed to build self-belief, self-confidence, self-esteem from the inside out. It is simple and easy to use. Any teen or tween between the ages of like 10 and 16 can do this with ease. It's not time consuming. It is motivating and uplifting. And it is filled with micro messages, the kind that your kids are probably not getting from the outside world, from school and society and social media, even peer or friend groups. A lot of times these messages are missing. And as a result, their self-esteem and their self-worth gets chipped away. So DM me awesome to learn more and receive early access. If your child is struggling, I think you just might be interested. I'm Renee, founder of Teen Esteem Academy. I'm also a teen, tween, and parent coach focusing on self-esteem, connection, and confidence. See you next time.